coach should really need to know how to ask questions. Coach Nelson is an excellent coach, and I think he really speaks from experience. And when he gives examples, these examples really stick to your mind, so that I think it could help us in our coaching sessions with our teammates also in the future, to remember these examples that he gave us.
The workshop is very not complex, it's simplified, and we know that it can be applied to our workload. We're happy that Sir Nelson was able to share it to us, and it's very a practical way to the coaching and feedback session that we will do in the plant.
Very engaging po ng speaker.
Yes.
Thank you, Sir Nelson. They are very engaging.